Hello friends and welcome to Virtual Tech Box YouTube channel. I am back with the new video in which I will show you how to migrate the Windows 10 operating system from hard disk to SSD without formatting it and without losing any data. If you are new on channel, I will request you to subscribe to channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload the new video. Please watch the video till the end as all the steps are very important for migrating the operating system, Windows operating system from hard disk to SSD. This is my Windows 10 system which is having the operating system in the hard disk. In this system I will connect the SSD and we will migrate the operating system from HDD to SSD. This is the C partition which reside on the hard disk, and here we will connect the SSD and we will do the migration from hard disk to SSD without losing any data and without formatting it. Once migration completed, we will have to do the changes in the BIOS. We will have to change the boot sequence in the BIOS, and we will have to make sure that system boots from the SSD. And once the system successfully booted from the SSD, then we can format the hard disk and we can use the hard disk partition as a data drive, or we can use the hard disk for storing the data. This is my C partition which contains the operating system, and this partition resides on the hard disk. I will rename it to the HDD for the understanding purpose, and keep in mind the hard disk size is 105 GB and usable is 104 GB. I am now going to connect the SSD to this system. Once SSD is connected, we will mount that SSD as a partition and will start the migration. I have successfully connected the SSD to this system. I will now go to run and type the disk mgmt.msc, which will take me to the disk management, and you can see here in the disk management SSD is showing as disk 0, which we had recently connected to the system, and the size of the SSD is 120 GB. I will press OK to initialize the disk. Disk is now online. I will now right click on the disk and I will go to new volume, and I will create the E partition which will be formatted with the NTFS. Next, finish. SSD has been mounted and partitioned successfully with the NTFS. I will now go to this PC and under this PC I can see the newly created partition which is of SSD, and the naming is E drive. I will right click and I will rename this E drive as SSD for the understanding purpose. Keep in mind HDD is 105 GB and our SSD is 120 GB. We will now start the process of migrating the operating system from hard disk to SSD. And for migrating the operating system to SSD, we will use the software called MiniTool Partition Wizard. I will open the MiniTool Partition Wizard. This is the main screen of the MiniTool Partition Wizard, through which we are going to migrate our operating system to the SSD. I will go to option Migrate OS to SSD. And on this screen I will select the option B. I would like to move the operating system. Next. Here it is showing the SSD, which would be our destination disk. I will click next. Yes. On this screen I will not change anything. I will keep all the options default. Next. Here it is showing note that we will have to make the changes in the BIOS after the migration. Finish. We will have to click apply to make sure changes takes effect. I will go ahead and click on apply. Yes, migration to SSD has started. Migration has completed here. I will press OK. Now our next task is to make the changes in the BIOS, to change the boot sequence in the BIOS, so that our operating system can boot through the SSD. I will close the MiniTool Partition Wizard. Yes. I will go to this PC, and you can see here it has cloned the complete operating system from hard disk to SSD. So it has copied the partition name also, which is HDD, from source to destination. This is 120 GB SSD, which now contains the operating system also. I will close this. I will restart the system. To go to BIOS, I will have to interrupt the restart process to enter the BIOS. We have interrupted. Enter setup. We are on the BIOS of the system. I will go to boot option, and here you can see plus sign is showing on the hard disk. With the arrow I will come to hard drive, and I will expand it, and 120 GB disk is our SSD. I will go to 120 GB drive with the help of arrow, and I will press the plus sign to make it on the top on the priority list. And on this screen you can see our hard drive itself is on second option in the priority list of the boot menu. So with the help of arrow I will highlight the hard drive, and I will again press the plus sign to make it on the top on the boot priority. Now hard drive is on top priority, and inside the hard drive SSD is on our top priority. Means SSD is on top on the boot priority list of the system boot. I will now save the changes and press yes. It will now boot from the boot to the operating system. I will give the password for the administrator to log on to the system. Now this time our system has booted the OS from the SSD. I will go to this PC, and you can see here our 120 GB SSD is showing, while the HDD is not showing here. This is our SSD partition which contains the operating system now. I will go to run and I will type here the disk mgmt.msc to go to disk management. On the disk management you can see here disk 0 which is 105 GB and which is our hard disk. I will right click and delete the volume. It will delete the data plus volume inside it. I will delete the system partition also. Now our hard disk is empty and online. I will right click and go to new simple volume and I will format it with the file system NTFS. Next, finish. Now our hard disk has been formatted and we can, I will right click on the hard disk which is 105 GB and I will rename it to SSD for understanding purpose, and this is the SSD is having operating system and this is our F drive which is hard disk, and this is completely empty now, and we can use this hard disk for storing the data or or as the data drive. That's it for today, friends. I will wrap up my video here. If you like my work, you can support the channel on the given link. Like the video, subscribe to channel, share this video with the friends and spread the knowledge. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.